get excited when the start of a season means I can enjoy some of my favorite foods. Growing up Donichese, we probably had rapini every week when it was in season. My mom served it usually as a side to our homemade liver sausage, oh so good, or even just with a quick fry of fettina di vitello, which are thinly sliced veal. The rapini simmered in just water and then drained before being sauteed with a very generous addition of extra virgin olive oil and some salt. Deeply satisfying and very tender, the rapini were ready in no time. It never really occurred to me as a child that rapini boasts a gentle bitterness. I just never really noticed, probably because my mother went to extremes to pick out the freshest bunches at the store. Yeah, she was that shopper that surveyed each bunch before selecting the best. My mother-in-law also prepares rapini, but significantly different. Her rapini are also incredibly delicious and carry a good punch of garlic with a pretty speckling of chopped red tomatoes. My recipe tends to incorporate both traditions, and whether I serve them as a side or add them to pasta with Nardini's Italian sausage, you can be sure that during the winter, I always have a bowl of cooked rapini in the fridge, ready to spread on pizza or chop into soup or even to accompany frittata. I have to admit that despite buying 5 to 6 bunches almost every week, extra rapini don't last long in my house because my family enjoys them best served with just a toasted slice of really good Calabrese bread and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. Buy rapini only in season and when they are a vibrant green with tight florets. If you're looking for a subtle hit of nutrients, add broccoli florets when you're blanching the rapini. They add a subtle sweetness and their texture blends in beautifully. So that's my story about rapini. I'd love to hear from you. Add some comments down below and make sure you subscribe. Let me know, are you a big rapini lover?